Okay, so we were on the paragraph E, that what is the answer of paragraph E? Let me tell you. Now we have to find the gist of the paragraph. I told you in previous video that they are always having a topic sentence. We should always go for topic sentence. Okay. Now let's see what is the topic sentence over here. The temperature when I arrived was 45 degrees Celsius, not particularly cold. I was informed a number of factors, and they're just explaining. Answer is not in these kind of sentences. It is far from ocean, okay, with its moderating effect on air temperature. In addition, town sits in a valley, okay, below the general level of Oymyakon plateau, which is turned enclosed in the all side of mountain. All that stuff. Okay. Now, what is the answer? Various sources of supply. No. Okay. Now it's taken. OMI, it's also taken. Animal that can survive. No. How Oemyakon is affected by its location? Why not? Why not? Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Instead of saying location, they are saying it mean Oymyakon. Oymyakon is far from ocean, mean it is the location. Okay, friends, try to understand how Oymyakon is affected by its location. Location means far from ocean. It is the location of Oymyakon with its moderating effect on air temperature. What are they saying? How Oymyakon is affected? Okay, when they are saying how air, hot air affected, mean it's how Oymyakon is affected by its location. Location mean far from ocean. Location with its moderating effect on air temperature, mean how Oymyakon is affected by its location. Okay. In addition, town sits in a valley. Town sits in a valley mean location below general level of Oymyakon plateau, which it includes by all that stuff. Okay. Okay. And it accumulates the valley, little wind to disturb it. Okay. It means how Oymyakon is affected by its location. Location mean ocean, valley, those are locations. Okay. And air, wind, okay, how these are affecting, it means how Oymyakon is affected. So the answer of paragraph E is sixth. Okay. Now we have to cross this heading number sixth as well. Okay. So far so good. Okay. Now here I am going to tell you what you should read, okay, and what you should not read. Day to day life Oymyakon presents certain challenges. Now let me tell you, it is a topic sentence. It is very very important. You have to read it very very carefully. Day to day life in Oymyakon presents certain challenges. During the long winter, there are hardly any modern household convenience. What is hacked out of the river chunks and all that stuff, giant stones stacked outdoor and carried out house at time, meant, and the lack of running water also mean the shower baths and all that stuff. Okay. Now, what is the answer? Various sources of supply? No, not at all. Animals can survive the cold? No. Keeping out the cold? Not only challenging? No, 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 no. Very few facilities in the building? Why not? Why no? When they are saying very few facilities, mean less facilities. Okay, there were not a too much facility, very few facilities, and they are saying there are hardly any modern household convenience. Friends, try to understand the language of Cambridge University. Modern household convenience and facilities both are same. Very few and there are hardly any, both are same. Okay, there are hardly any modern convenience, and they are saying lack of running water also means no shower or bath. Okay, lack of running water means there were very few facilities in building. Now where is the building? Okay. Indeed, flushing toilets, and since 2008 and school. Okay. town school. School is also a building. Has enjoyed the luxury of indoor and a small number of civic buildings. Okay, building. They are telling about building. So the answer of paragraph F is 10. Okay. Now we are going to crack the list of headings. Isn't that right? Okay. So far, so good. The power station provides the winter heating from the hot. Okay, there were many house lie outside in the range and rely on their own wood burning stove. Fuel is all that stuff. Now, let me tell you, friends, it is very, very important and it is the topic sentence. Let me tell you, sometimes the topic sentence in the beginning of the paragraph, sometimes the topic sentence in the middle of the paragraph, sometimes the topic sentence in the end of the paragraph. So we have to look up only topic sentence. The power station provides winter heating in the form of the fort burner, and many house lies outside its range and rely on own woods burning stove and all that stuff. Okay, 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 so let's see what is the answer. Okay, we have to read it more. Okay, fuel is plentiful enough and various sources. Okay, various sources, and they are saying many house lies. Okay, plentiful enough, both are same. And let's see, everybody Oimaya con own goods boots and hat made of animal fur and fur lined metal. Let me tell you, when they are saying hat made of animal, it doesn't mean that over. Okay, animal that can survive. Although they are using animal, they are using animal over here, but it is not a right answer. It is just a trap heading. It is only a trap heading. Let me tell you, friends, if you successfully can detect the trap heading, then your success rate would be more. Animal that can survive in the cold, it is not a right answer. If you don't find the whole information, if you find only one word, it doesn't mean that it is the right answer. Now animal, it doesn't mean that it is a right answer. They are just saying hat made of animal, that is hat. They aren't talking about animal, they are talking about hat made of animal. Try to understand. So that's why it is a trap heading. Okay friends, so we have to cross it as well. Okay, now let's see what is the answer. When they are saying plentiful enough, okay, many house lies, so it means answer is various sources of supply. So for paragraph G, answer is first. Okay, so far so good. So we have found one trap. Okay, now Oemaya Corn's two shops keep a decent stock of basic foods and packets. Reindeer breeding and horse breeding, indeed self-sufficient drunk in the source of energy prolonged winter. Surprising given the weather, everyone eats heartily in Oemaya Corn. The typical meal is offered and all that stuff. Oemaya Corn's two shop keep a decent stock of basic tins and packets. When they are saying, but local also have do it yourself options, including hunting, trapping, ice fishing, reindeer breeding, horse breeding, it means supply. Okay, it means supply. Okay friends, let me tell you, okay, let me tell you, for paragraph G, one is not a right answer. I'm sorry for that. One is not a right answer. Let me tell you, when they are saying, okay, fuel is plentiful enough to surrounding forest, and they still have to venture out the cut food and okay, boots and hat made from fur line, and boot are usually made from reindeer, which keeps your feet warm. Warm mean it is used for keeping our body warm. Means keeping out the cold. Keeping out the cold mean it prevents ourselves from cold. Okay, now it is the topic sentence. Everybody Everybody in Oymyakon owns good goods. A hat made of animals. Okay, is light but keeps our feet warm. When they are saying keeps your feet very warm, it means keeping out cold. Okay, so the answer of paragraph G was 7. I'm sorry for that. Actually, I was too fast, so that's why I was wrong. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so what is the answer of this? Oemaya cons two shops. Two shops mean various sources. Keep a decent stock of basic foods, obtains packets. Okay, hunting, trapping, ice fishing, reindeer breeding, horse breeding means these are sources of supply. So the answer of paragraph 8 is 1. Okay, answer of paragraph H is 1. Okay, when they are saying various source mean what are the sources? Hunting, trapping, ice fishing, reindeer breeding, horse breeding, these are the sources. Okay, isn't that right? So this is our topic sentence, don't read it whole. Okay, now let's go for another. Spring is the best season here, I'm told, and so melts and the horrible flows and more and the full wind, all the stuff short and the season can uncomfortably hot. Much of the forest become boggy, so mosquitoes are constant presence. Oh, my climate certainly wouldn't suit me, but residents I spoke to said that they wouldn't live anywhere else. Okay, when they are saying forest becomes boggy, mosquitoes are a constant presence, climate certainly wouldn't suit me. It means not only the challenging. What are the challenges? Challenges mean when they are saying forests becomes boggy, mosquitoes are on constant presence, these are the challenges. Okay, OMI cons climate certainly wouldn't suit me, but residents I spoke to said they wouldn't they wouldn't live anywhere else. So this is called home sweet home. Okay, isn't that right? So the answer of paragraph I is uh what was that? Okay, 8. Okay, isn't that right? So this is how you need to